Okay, my name's Mike Iszatt. This is a new product, part of the Silverhook range of household cleaning products, Surface Sanitiser. Now, this trigger contains virus and bacteria deactivators. It deactivates the virus and kills the bacteria. The idea of this is you simply spray on your door surface and anywhere you're likely to touch moving in and out. Typical, your toilet. There we are, just leave it on for a little bit. I sprayed this one earlier so I can enter. In you go. Look how simple this is. Taps, and don't forget to, otherwise you're only going to infect yourself leaving. Drawstrings inside the light string. Now, if we go across to the far side here we are, typical sort of message that you'll see everywhere. Social distancing, 2 metres apart. Well, what good's that if everyone, someone that possibly got the virus, goes in and out touching the door handle? So why not just give it a quick spray? There we are. Use your foot to open it until it's active. Go into the inside and make sure you do not just the door handle, but any area you're likely to touch or push against. Here we are, come inside Paul. You've got light switches. Here we are, another area, light switch. Quick spray, that's all that's needed. Keyboard, mouse, other areas that you like to touch. Perfect for that sort of application. 750ml, also available in 1 litre, and we do a 5 litre, but that's more of a trade pack, and of course right the way up to 1000 litre IBC. Everyone out there, keep well, and us at Silverhook, we're doing our best, we're working our socks off to help make the world a safer place.